Okay, so this is a tutorial to make the customize our grandchildren ornament. I have uploaded it into Design Space. Make sure you upload the SVG and not something else. I know I included the other ones just for people maybe using other programs, so do not use those. Okay, so this is what it looks like when it comes in. Doesn't look great, but it's just for ease of use. So first thing you're going to do is ungroup everything. As you can see here, there's 6 grandchildren. I'm going to delete them. So depending on how many grandchildren there are, you can change this. So I am going to, you can add some down here, and you just copy and paste them. When you're doing it, make sure it overlaps a tiny bit and that they're all spaced. So the easiest way to make sure that they're all spaced the right way, so you go under Align and you want to align right, so then they all line up, and you can do that on the other side. You can add some up here and add some over here. So for this example, I'm just going to do 4 grandchildren. So I'm going to move this down, and I'm just going to place them just kind of how I want. I'm going to delete this. So you do have the option of working with this alphabet, but I would recommend downloading the font subscriber for free at defont.com. So just delete that after you're done with it, and you can delete this alphabet too if you choose to use that. So you are going to put the names here. Sorry. And you're going to want to click off of it. Pick the color you want. I chose black. And then you size it so it fits in here nicely. I've left lots of room for longer names. Copy, paste, and you're going to get this name again. It's easier to just copy and paste and put the names here. So I'm going to go and then I'm going to paste again. I'm going to put a different name. And I am going to paste again, and I'm going to put the last name over here. Okay, so now that you have all your names, you're going to want to select them. So I just use Control or whatever it is on a Mac and just select them. And then I select the Our Grandchildren, and you are going to want to attach those so those all print kind of in the same way. Now you are going to, I'm going to change this for now to a purple color just so it's easier to keep track of. I have these set up the way I want. So I'm going to select all of the blue, which later can be changed to white because it's a nice white background. So just Shift or Control click them. And I'm going to combine these, and I'm going to weld them together. So it just takes a minute on your computer. And there you go, you got that shape. And then it's easier if, oops, sorry, my mouse is a little crazy. Okay, so then you click on it and send it to back. And you can also get rid of this because you don't need it anymore. That's just to outline the back of the where your ornament is. So now you can change these all to white. This is going to not be attached to this part, which is what we want because this is going to be behind. You're going to put the red in front, and then you're going to put the white in front of that. So now you have it all ready. One thing to add is make sure it was sized to the right. I had it sized to about 3 or 3.5 inches was the size of the circle ornament. So now you are going to click Make It. And it's going to sort your mats into color. So this appears, so you cut all the cuts. See how they're all set up so that you can easily put them on transfer tape and then put them onto your ornament. Now I'm going to do one for the back of the tutorial for the back of the ornament.